Hi, this is Mike Litman. I'm present founder and the CEO of Mike's International. Words gives you power and words gives you life. So life is all about words. If you don't have words, there would be no life. So here I want to tell you a greatest secret to create a greatest life and to create a massive life and to create a successful life. So the point is you need to replace your words and you need to give power to your negative words. So the word problem is the most spoken words in the world. So I'm here to tell you you need to replace this word with some more words, with some more metaphors. So don't use this word problem. When you say problem, it means you gotta stop yourself. It means you are creating a hurdle for yourself. It means you gonna reject yourself. And if you reject yourself, everybody gonna reject you. So you are here to approve yourself, to approve your talents, to approve your goals. So I want you to change this word problem. You must replace it with a challenge, situation, and opportunity. And it's up to you that you gotta give positive vibes and you gotta give power to all negative words. So when you say problem, so it means like there's something which is totally impossible and you are denying yourself that I'm not ready to pursue this goal, I'm not ready to pursue this dream, I'm not ready to proceed for my this biggest success, and you become a hurdle for yourself. So what you're supposed to do, you need to say it's a situation. Whenever you are facing any situation, you say it's a situation, and it means like it's a part of game and it's a part of that goal. It's a part of that game because you gotta face that situation comes again and again and you are there to deal all the situations. And number two, if you're not using this word situation, you can use word challenge. Biologically we all are, as a human body, we all are goals oriented. And if you get to say it's a challenge, it means you are accepting it. It means you are ready to pursue it. It means you are ready to do it. But if you say it's a problem, it means you got to reject yourself and you are totally blocked and you are not ready to get it done. You're not ready to fix that problem. You're not ready to fix that challenge. So you gotta replace this word problem with situation and with challenge. And number three, you gotta replace it with opportunity, because all success comes from the opportunities, and whenever there is a problem there is an opportunity. Like Jack Ma says, you never need to get worried about uh, where everyone is worried about. You never need to get worried about where the government is worried about. You never need to get worried about where the people are worried about. You never need to get worried about where your teachers, your parents, your peers, your friends, and your life partners are worried about. You need to get worried about where's no one worried about. And that's where your opportunity is. And you need to pursue, you need to get on it, and your business is over there. Whenever there's an unrest in situation like the COVID-19 time, but I'm telling you, this is the greatest time to go for the business. This is the greatest time for the entrepreneurs. So thank you very much. I will come up with more videos and more ideas. So till then, thank you very much. Take care. Bye bye.